We have a body off-frame rotisserie restored 78 Camaro upgraded with an LS motor, 4L60 overdrive, posi, four-wheel disc brakes, vintage air conditioning. I've bought a few Camaros from this gentleman. That's all he does is restore Camaros out in California, and that's where this car is from. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the information, videos, pictures, financing. That's at volocars.com. There's also a QR code you can scan and a link in the description. Both will bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, he does a very nice job. That's all he does is Camaros. When you just keep doing the same cars, you can go through them, much easier. So the whole rubber front end, the bumper, nice looking bumper, by the way, all in excellent shape. Has the Z28 style scooped hood. All of this fits beautifully. It's all straight, clean metal. The fenders, all of this is just looking real nice. All the way down to the bottom, it's all clean. It's all metal. The gaps are right. The pillar is nice. The roof is real nice coming down here. All excellent. These are big doors on these Camaros. Jams are all clean. Bottom lip is excellent. Quarter panel, all real nice. I can see the factory dimples around the wheel well. All clean, straight, has the three-piece tall spoiler. Back bumper is in excellent shape. So the body, there's no issues with the body at all. All clean, all straight, all dry, smooth metal. Jams real nice in this car as well. Sport mirrors. It's painted iridium silver. That's off a Lexus. This is a Lexus metallic silver color. The metallic is laid out evenly. It is polished to a nice clear coat, glossy finish. About equivalent to like it would have been new. There's a little bit of light texture still left in it, but shows very, very well. And you have the blackout in the scoop, blackout all around here, the grille. All this is looking real nice. Halogen H4 headlights. All new glass all the way around. The window moldings were blacked out, so were the wipers. New 18-inch, I think they're 18 by 8, 18 by 10s. Polished torque thrust wheels wrapped in Nitto performance tires. All new seals and weather strips. Yeah, even the back glass is new. The rear tail light section, all that's real nice. So we got a good looking car here. I just seen it. There's a tiny, tiny little bug. He'll be your friend. He'll be with the car forever. He's underneath the clear coat. A little tiny bug. Thought that was funny. All right, let's check out the interior. It's custom and that LS motor under the hood. Remember opening the panel to put gas in it or open the trunk. Trunk pops right open. All painted, all beautiful, clean, dry, nice metal, nice seams, weather strips replaced. Look at inside the trunk. It's immaculate metal. You can finish it how you want. You can custom box it or just buy the mat for it, but it's immaculate. He says he replaced all the wiring through the car as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. I said the jams are slicked, weather strips replaced. Reproduction door panels, armrest, window crank, handle. It does have a custom instrument panel with Autometer Sport Comp gauges. Just nice, clean, simple. It's a radio delete. All nice dash pad. This is your air conditioning controls. Simple. You have a small glove box. Actually, not much of one, no, because the air conditioning box is there. Blue lights, I'm sure you've seen that. Some nice upgraded carpet and mats. An original center console. The bezel's new, but looks like some old cigarette burns from the day. Armrest. Corbeau seats. They're very firm, supportive. Hold you in place nicely. Sport seats. They do recline. They got headrests. Back seats all upholstered to match. Got new seat belts front and back. Side panels are all looking good. The rear shelf, the rear trim is all excellent. Headliners replaced. The nice bright LED light. The mirrors new. There was sound deadener put on the floor and the ceiling. Real nice looking sport steering wheel that's on there. So yeah, real nice sporty clean interior. So that's an LS1 motor, 5.7 liter. It's a nice cruiser, makes a good 350 horsepower. Obviously fuel injected. Looks like it's, for the most part, just left stock, so it's easier to maintain. It's a complete, looks like the emissions are all hooked up. So the whole surrounding engine bay is all nice, clean metal, all painted up nice. Remember, this car was completely apart. Here's the air conditioning compressor. Upgraded aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, a nice polished overflow. It's got new horns. Custom cold air intake here. Power steering, of course, serpentine belts, modern alternator. All new power brake booster, master cylinder lines. Looks like the wiper motor's new. So just a super clean engine compartment with an LS motor. Michael's going to demonstrate it for you, and we'll see in a few minutes.
I've already had a chance to take this one around the block, and what a great driving car. Everything's so easy to use. You get in and just turn the key and go. Had the air conditioner on. It's a smoldering hot day here in Volo, and this thing didn't even break 200 degrees. Suspension feels fantastic. Really good feel on the road. And the steering is easy but precise at the same time. Oh, and these seats, absolutely fantastic. Can spend a long time in them. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're doing slightly over 60 miles an hour. Looks like about 61, and we're not even touching 2,000 RPMs. So yeah, go ahead, cruise this one on down the highway, even with the 373 gearing and the overdrive auto. We'll get you there absolutely no problem. Let's see how nice and straight it goes down the road. I mean, she's dialed in, ready to drive anywhere. Really sharp looking car, and just a really nice overall experience. So come down to Volo. We'd love to see you here at the museum. Take it for a test drive, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I told you rotisserie restored. It's like brand new under there. It really is. Looks like it's never been driven yet. So the underbody is pristine metal, smooth, not even pitted, very neatly painted with a semi-gloss black. Same with all the chassis components. So all the steering and suspension's completely rebuilt. It has Hotchkiss 2-inch lowering springs, KYB gas shocks all the way around, um, quick ratio steering box. Yeah, it's all been redone. Wheelwood disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. Has a pipes exhaust system that's all stainless steel. Has the X pipe. Sounds real nice. Very nice looking installation. Fuel system was replaced, all compatible with the fuel injected motor. Looking up at the motor, it's clean, it's a high torque starter. It's a 4L60E electronic overdrive automatic. In back is a 10-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears. So again, underneath this car is just immaculate. Now I told you it has 2 electric fans. It also has an electric fan in front, so 3 electric fans. It has a little transmission cooler up there as well. And the wheels are 8x10s in front, 8x11s in back. So there you have it. A really good looking, really fresh 78 Camaro Pro Touring. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.